In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your QuickBooks user ID or password. Managing your QuickBooks account smoothly is vital for your business operations. And sometimes, we all might find ourselves in a position where we need to change our user ID or password. Whether you've forgotten your current details or it's simply time for an update, I'll guide you step by step through this process. So, let's get started. First, you need to head over to the QuickBooks homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL, which is qbo.intuit.com. Hit enter and you'll be directed to the QuickBooks homepage. If you're not already logged in, this would be a good time to do so. Seeing the QuickBooks dashboard should reassure you that you're in the right place, and from here on, you can navigate to managing your account details. Now that you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll find your account icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various account options. The next step is to click on Manage Your Intuit account. This selection takes you directly to the account management page where you can make different adjustments, including changing your user ID or password. Once you're on the account management page, search for the Sign In and Security section. It's typically organized in a clear and convenient way, ensuring you can find your way around quickly. Clicking on this section will provide additional options related to your account's security settings. Now, navigate to the Change Password option. Clicking on this will direct you to the area where you can type in a new password. When creating a new password, make sure that it's strong and secure. It should include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. To confirm your identity, QuickBooks may ask you for additional verification, such as a code sent to your registered email or phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step efficiently. It's a crucial step in ensuring your account's safety. Lastly, after successfully updating your password, click on the Highlight button. This step doesn't just complete the process, it ensures that your changes are saved and that your account is now equipped with a new secure password. Remember, regularly updating your password is a good practice for maintaining security. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your QuickBooks user ID or password. Keeping your information up to date and secure helps manage your finances through QuickBooks efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to QuickBooks support. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.